The pursuit of social and emotional development through a racial equity lens is a call to action that we must not ignore. Cultural competency training develops cross-cultural skills and a positive attitude toward our cultural differences in this world of diverse ethnic groups. Cultural competency training is essential to our systems and processes now more than ever, and it's needed everywhere, in the workplace of every business, in the classrooms for students and teachers in every school, and in society for those in positions of authority. With a culturally relevant and rigorous curriculum, I create an acceptance mindset of wherever you are now is fine. It's about your effort and commitment to move forward and become culturally competent that will create the change I believe we all want to see, to influence positive interactions with others, to develop a positive attitude toward cultural differences, to establish anti-bias and anti-racist practices and worldviews, to create cultural awareness and racial sensitivity to prevent harassment and conflict, to ensure our systems create a diverse and inclusive workplace, to create social environments where everyone feels like they belong, to create true racial equity so that we all win. Book me now to conduct your transformational workshop to encourage your employees, students, teachers, and colleagues to become color brave instead of color blind.